Oh my goodness, I have to document this wash day. I need to take my own advice and document what works. Check out these curls. Oh my goodness. These are the products that I used. It is an all drugstore wash day lineup. We'll have everything listed in the description down below. Yes, I layered 2 gels on top of each other. I plopped my hair, really making sure to utilize my perfect hair care towel to its full potential, and left that on for about 10 minutes. Then I micro plopped and diffused my hair to about 80% dry. It took forever. Thank you to gels. Then when it was 100% dry after air drying, I fluffed it and scrunched out the crunch, and here are the results. If I had to have a critique, I would say that I probably grabbed too much gel. I used quite a bit of both of those gels. My hair did take forever to dry. I had great definition and wash day longevity. Was really feeling this. I'm probably gonna grab this lineup again soon.